What's up, guys? Bobby K here with Pip Syndicate. I want to show you this new project that I stumbled onto. Okay, I joined this last night, and I've been trying to gather all the information on it, and I'm pretty hot on this for a couple of reasons. Okay, there's three main reasons why I think this is going to be big. Now, I'm not trying to make any claims. It's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? But there's three things about this program that I really like. The first thing is the affiliate program. Not that it matters. If you don't want to recruit anybody, you don't have to recruit anybody. But I think having an affiliate program connected to this is going to be big, because what's going to happen is there's going to be thousands of people flooding into this program. I already know there's already heavy hitters, big recruiters already signing up for this. Okay, I've seen one already today myself. And some of these guys are going to bring a ton of people into this program. And that's just going to drive the price of the coin up. So if you just want to buy the coin and hold it and not recruit, that's fine. You know, I think it's still going to be good. You know, I think you're still good, man. I think that this is powerful and it's still good. That's really my opinion. Okay, the way I have it set up, it pays down 3 levels. They list 5 here for some reason, so there may be a way to open up these other 2 levels that I just haven't found out about yet. And it's pretty lucrative. Okay, if you recruit, you end up getting more of a percentage, you know, more of a commission. The more people you recruit, it opens up different levels and stuff. It's a little detailed. Maybe you should go watch a video on that. But if you don't want to recruit, don't worry about it. But that's going to drive people to buy this coin. Okay, the second thing about it is the voting aspect. As new projects open, you're going to be able to nominate a project for the community to vote on. And if your nomination wins, you're going to be compensated with coins from that project. And if you vote on it, and one you vote on wins, you're also going to be compensated. You're going to be rewarded with an airdrop of coins from the project that won the vote. That's going to happen every 2 weeks. So what they did is they've taken 3%, right, of the market cap, or, you know, whatever's earned on the site, and they're taking 1/3 of that and putting it towards the voting program. Now let's look at a couple of these coins, guys. Now, so far we got 2 ways to make money here that are, you know, that are pretty awesome, man, for a small project like this. This isn't going to be a small project, though. I mean, if you look at Doge, right? Let's just look at Doge, man. I mean, Doge is ridiculous. Well, it's number 8. Dogecoin is number 8. Look at the volume in 24 hours. It's almost $2.5 million. Is that 2.5 million or is that 2.5 billion? My goodness, man, that's crazy. Look at that. Imagine how much money could flow into this pool. Now, I'm not saying we're going to get to this amount of money, guys. I'm just saying, like, what is Doge? I mean, it doesn't have, you know, why does anyone even own Doge? I'm trying to figure that out. I mean, I own SHIB, and SHIB has trillions of tokens. There's going to be less than 89 million tokens in this project. Okay, and also the way the voting is going to work, right? They're going to, you know, whichever project that's nominated gets the most vote, that's going to be the winning coin. Then they're going to take the money from the pool, buy that token, and airdrop it to all the people that voted on it, that voted for that coin. Hear me out for a second. I don't want to get confused or confuse anybody. But we're going to know like an hour before they actually buy the token, which token won, and, you know, which token is going to get airdropped. You know, to me, that's pretty valuable information. You know, I'm not going to say anything more about that, but I think that's good information to have. You know, can you see what I'm saying? So you got the affiliate aspect. You got also with the voting aspect, you're gonna have to lock up $50 worth of coins to vote, and $500 worth just, you know, to nominate a coin. If you want to nominate a coin, you have to have $50 worth locked up, you know, in your wallet. Just in your wallet, not locked up, just in your wallet. So that's going to create scarcity as thousands of people flood into this token, man. So look, I don't want to make any claims, you know, but I see a lot of reasons why this is going to be a big project. All right. And that's, so anyway, guys, my link is below. If you want to join, if you want to take a look at it, guys, get the information, and I'll put my sign up link below. You can get in and check out the back office and stuff. You have to have a Phantom wallet. So make sure you have a Phantom wallet, then click the link, connect your wallet, and you're all set. You can't buy the coins yet because we're still in pre-launch, and they're still working through some kinks and stuff. But I think it's going to be soon. So don't wait. All right, guys, I just joined this yesterday. I think it's going to be big, but, do your own due diligence, and I'll see you guys inside, man. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Oh, I trade Forex every day at 9 o'clock live on YouTube, man. Pip Syndicate. Check me out, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. You get the notifications when I'm going live. We trade every day, man. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live stream, and I'll see you guys here in the back office, in the Telegram group. Cheers, guys. Thanks for stopping by, man.